spree!
Hot drop! Stay alert!
Silhouettes of you are like a tide. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats on the street. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. Ain't it twisted you been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my But if I lay down and I stay dead and I stay dead, then you'll get bored.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm losing, I feel like it's amusing. Gaslighting and confusing. With me, is it me that I'm deluded? I'm no longer sorry, the conclusion. Even though I lost all of the solutions.
Double
Love me like I
takedown.
love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a tide. I really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat on my palm. Play with me like cats on the string. You don't ever wanna break. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then you'll get bored. Then you'll get bored.
Triple takedown! Wipe out! Rampage! Takedown spree!
this potential is deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to do it. They sit there feeling dismantled because you're trying to. They just want you to settle and do the right thing. You get a good job, that's what I thought. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma do whatever else to succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make it. And I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
Take down,
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in me mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity with all I've been through, I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I get back that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I will start one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous,
but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Takedown spree! Takedown spree!
cause I don't give a fuck what you say.
Takedown
I'ma do
spree!
shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks, I'll build what I want to, man.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking dead in my brain. 6 feet deep, wanna put my body on display.
Takedown spree!
So to put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty. I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone.
Takedown
I had some
spree!
people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will not hurt you, don't turn you to an enemy. I'm just so bad that you're gonna need some
Takedown spree!
I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits. I'm a living legacy. You'll be looking for when you see me right next to me.
Takedown
5'10", bitch,
spree!
put up 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks, I'll build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks, I'll build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Takedown spree! Wipe out!
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. An arrangement, you don't know shit. Say that I'm the same dude that got us come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, I never get complacent. Let's keep the good vibes,
Takedown
it's contagious.
spree!
I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle it. You think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta start from the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my